Welcome to the world of Joe Dispenza meditation, a transformative practice that has captivated countless individuals seeking to unlock their full potential and create positive change in their lives. Imagine a journey where the power of your mind takes center stage, where the boundaries of what you thought was possible begin to blur, and where the very fabric of reality is molded by your intention. This is the realm that Dr. Joe Dispenza, a renowned neuroscientist, lecturer, and best-selling author, invites you to explore through his groundbreaking meditation techniques. Dr. Dispenza's teachings draw upon the intersection of science, spirituality, and the human mind's extraordinary capacity for transformation. His approach fuses ancient wisdom with modern scientific research, offering a unique perspective on the relationship between the brain, the body, and consciousness itself. At the heart of his methodology lies the belief that we possess the innate ability to rewire our neural networks, recondition our bodies, and reshape our lives through the power of focused thought and intention. The Joe Dispenza meditation practice goes beyond traditional meditation techniques. It transcends the mere act of relaxation and delves into the realm of quantum possibility. By combining the principles of mindfulness, visualization, and quantum physics, Dr. Dispenza empowers individuals to break free from limiting patterns, heal past traumas, and manifest their deepest desires. During a Joe Dispenza meditation session, you are guided through a series of transformative exercises that engage both your mind and body. Through the practice of focused attention, you learn to quiet the incessant chatter of your thoughts and dive into the realm of pure consciousness. By entering this state of coherence, you tap into the quantum field, where new possibilities abound. Through the power of visualization, Dr. Dispenza invites you to create a vivid mental picture of your desired future, infusing it with the emotions and sensations of already having achieved your goals. As you immerse yourself in this imagined reality, your brain begins to wire and fire new neural connections, anchoring your intentions deep within your subconscious mind. This process has the potential to reshape your belief systems, override old patterns, and ultimately transform your life from the inside out. Embarking on the journey of Joe Dispenza meditation is an invitation to step into your highest potential, to unravel the mysteries of your own consciousness, and to become the architect of your reality. It is a practice that requires commitment, curiosity, and an open mind, but the rewards are immeasurable. Are you ready to embark on this extraordinary voyage of self-discovery and transformation? Get ready to unlock the limitless power of your mind and awaken the dormant possibilities within you. Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditation practice combines ancient wisdom with modern science, offering a unique approach to harnessing the power of your mind. This practice goes beyond traditional meditation techniques. It's about rewiring your brain, reconditioning your body, and creating lasting change in your life. So, let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how to do Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditation. Step 1. Create your sacred space. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can fully immerse yourself in this practice. Dim the lights, light a candle, or surround yourself with objects that bring you a sense of peace and tranquility. This environment will support your journey within. Creating a sacred space when meditating is important for several reasons. Let's explore why. Establishing a sense of peace. By designating a specific area as your sacred space, you create a physical and energetic environment that promotes relaxation and tranquility. This space becomes a sanctuary where you can disconnect from the outside world and connect with your inner self. Minimizing distractions. In today's fast-paced and constantly connected world, distractions are abundant. By creating a sacred space, you consciously eliminate or minimize external disturbances that can disrupt your meditation practice. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the present moment and deepen your experience. Signaling the mind-body connection, your physical environment has a profound impact on your mental and emotional states. When you intentionally set up a sacred space, you signal to your mind and body that it's time for introspection and inner work. This helps shift your focus inward and prepares you for a deeper level of meditation. Symbolic representation. A sacred space often includes objects or elements that hold personal significance or symbolic value to you. These items can range from candles and incense to crystals or meaningful artwork. The presence of these symbolic representations can evoke a sense of reverence and help you connect with a higher purpose or spiritual aspect of your practice. Creating ritual and routine. Creating a sacred space and engaging in a regular meditation practice can become a ritual in itself. Rituals provide a sense of structure and familiarity, signaling to your mind that it's time to transition into a state of mindfulness and introspection. They help establish a routine and reinforce the commitment you've made to your personal growth and well-being. Energy alignment. A sacred space allows you to align the energy of your environment with your internal energy. It becomes a container for positive and harmonious energy, enhancing the overall atmosphere and supporting your meditation practice. This alignment can create a conducive environment for deeper states of relaxation, insight, and transformation. Remember, the concept of a sacred space is personal and can vary for each individual. It's about finding a space that resonates with you and creates the ideal conditions for your meditation practice. Whether it's a corner of a room, a dedicated meditation room, or a spot in nature, what matters most is the intention you bring to the space and the sense of sacredness you cultivate within it. Step 2. Set your intention. Before beginning the meditation, take a few moments to set your intention. What do you want to achieve through this practice? Is it vibrant health, abundance, or emotional healing? Clarify your intention and hold it in your heart throughout the meditation. Step 3. Enter the state of coherence. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, ensuring that your body is fully supported. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing any tension to melt away. As you breathe, focus on cultivating a sense of coherence within your mind and body. Step 4. Engage in breathwork. Dr. Joe Dispenza emphasizes the importance of breathwork in his meditation practice. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. With each breath, imagine that you are drawing in positive energy and releasing any negativity or stress. Step 5. Visualization and emotional engagement. Now, it's time to engage your imagination and emotions. Visualize your desired outcome or intention with utmost clarity. See it as if it has already happened. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your intention has manifested in your life. Step 6. Anchor the experience. To reinforce the neural connections and create lasting change, anchor the experience in your body. Dr. Joe Dispenza suggests tapping different parts of your body while holding the vision and emotions in your mind. This physical action strengthens the mind-body connection. Step 7. Gratitude and surrender. Express gratitude for the experience and surrender the outcome. Trust that the universe is working in your favor. Release any attachment to how or when your intention will manifest. Allow the energy of surrender to carry you forward on your transformative journey. Step 8. Integration and reflection. As you gradually bring your meditation to a close, take a few moments to reflect on your experience. Journal your thoughts, emotions, and any insights that came up during the practice. This self-reflection will help you deepen your understanding and integrate the transformative effects of the meditation. Congratulations! You have completed the steps for Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditation practice. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to practice this meditation regularly, allowing it to become a part of your daily routine. Over time, you'll witness the profound impact it can have on your life. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the transformative world of Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditation. Now, it's your turn to dive in and experience the power of your mind firsthand. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more empowering content, and share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, you have the ability to unlock your limitless potential. Until next time, keep expanding, growing, and embracing the incredible journey within.